Hey, welcome to Better Sax. My name is Jay Metcalf. I'm the founder of BetterSax.com, where I teach saxophone to people who want to learn how to play the music they love without the burden of sheet music. My lessons focus on getting students to use mainly their ears to learn song melodies and improvise solos that sound great. Here on my YouTube channel, I regularly post saxophone lessons, improvisation lessons, gear reviews, and a lot more. So be sure to subscribe to get notified about new content. So many students have already benefited from my non-traditional method of teaching, which will help you get faster results while having lots of fun practicing. Head over to BetterSax.com to enroll in my free Play Sax by Ear crash course. If you want to learn how to liberate your playing from sheet music and use your ear to improvise solos over the music you love to play, this free course will get you started on the right path. Also, check out some of the playlists below to get started learning how to become a better sax player today.